embossed metallic copper foil seals, hot foil stamped floral ornaments throughout. These are just two of the many details in this stunning holiday kit. If you ask me, this definitely evokes designer envy. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, the founder of Paper Specs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. What makes the perfect gift? Well, usually it's something that is so spot on, it suggests that the giver knows you almost as well as you know yourself. The 2022 holiday greeting card kit from Sappi is such a gift if, like me, you adore paper and love nothing more than sending handwritten notes throughout the year. Designed by VSA partners and produced by my good friends at Classic Color, the kit arrives in a shipper box flooded in an elegant blue, broken up only by the words "Sincerely yours" in metallic copper ink and a copper foil seal that holds the lid shut. An embossed botanical illustration on the seal provides a tantalizing hint of the theme just awaiting to be discovered inside. A handwritten note is a gift of precious time. It is printed on the inside of the lid, revealing the sentiment behind the entire kit, while the first glimpse of the packaging inside promises that a truly elegant experience awaits. Resembling an exquisite recipe box, the case, made of 18.C1S Sappi Spectro, features a telescoping lid that reveals just enough of a copper hint between the blue of the upper and lower halves to intrigue. Embossed and hot stamped in copper foil are the words 2022 Reflect Connect, matching the copper foil floral accents, and spot UV artwork adds even more depth to the botanical theme. A soft touch coating makes this box one that no one could ever bear to part with. From the shipping box to the cards inside, every piece boosts that finger-pleasing experience. Removing the lid reveals, ta-da! A wooden pen held firmly in place by two die-cut tabs, all against a blue background surrounded by more metallic copper floral illustrations. This pen holder is actually part of a larger 10-point Spectro C2S trifold card, which includes an introduction letter and the production details for the whole kit. But back to the box. Inside, 10 greeting cards printed on different weights of Sappi Spectro celebrate the incomparable impact of paper. Ranging from joyful holiday and New Year's wishes to more versatile salutations like Let's Celebrate and Warmest Wishes, each card boasts its own unique design and finishing technique, including sharp embossing, die cuts, and spot gloss UV. And of course, every card is blank inside, allowing you plenty of room to handwrite your thoughts using the pen supplied. Even the envelopes are adorned with metallic copper or blue floral elements and matching printed interiors, brilliantly tying them to the rest of the kit. Every detail has been considered in this stunning kit because once written, the envelopes can then be sealed with an embossed copper foil seal. But wait, there's more, if you can believe it. In the Warmest Wishes cards that depicts a wreath is a sticker sheet, encouraging you to use the provided sticker of pine cones, Christmas ornaments, and more to customize your personal wreath. The designers have thought of absolutely everything here, going so far as to include tab dividers, complete with peel-off pre-printed labels, so that the cards can be sorted according to occasions. Even after you've used all the cards, you're sure to hold on to this box, refilling it with your own cards and keeping it as a reminder to reflect and connect and send handwritten notes throughout the year. While hot foil stamping gave an elegant note to this special holiday kit, there are several other ways in which you can now add foil to your printed project. Get a quick overview of all your traditional as well as digital options and download our free foil cheat sheet right now. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel, and of course it would be amazing if you shared with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.